My25 Select, for outcomes-driven innovators and the people with specialized needs they care about. Leading entities throughout the U.S. subscribe to My25 Select for use by their stakeholders with specialized needs to help this vital population and associated households plan, shop for, prepare, and eat the right foods in the right amounts sustainably. Our most affordable and interactive resource, My25 Select, centers on a proprietary holistic four-step approach as a web-based, mobile-optimized platform. Users interface in either a casual or more active, frequent way. Both have staying power with positive impact across the board. Access to My25 Select is by a simple URL link at my25select.com, a hyperlinked button, or API integration with your platform. It's your choice. Once the user completes a brief online profile, My25 Select automatically links together and provides the following on a personalized basis via high engagement and flexibility. Healthy, budget-sensitive, continually refreshed menu suggestions, reflective of individual and household preferences and dietary needs. With one click, auto-population of the household's online grocery cart with associated ingredients in the correct amounts for curbside pickup or delivery, and Snap EBT to ensure purchases stay in healthy and budget-sensitive lanes. Associated automatically scaled ingredients and recipe prep steps, with mouth-watering photos and entertaining cooking action videos set to music. And Healthy Eating Score, HES, nutrition measurement actively engaging visually. Red to yellow to green during menu planning, and then available on demand as a trended metric for motivational and care coordination purposes, with follow-on access to educational and engagement resources in multimedia format and 81 languages. As far as more frosting on this high-fiber cake and evidence of our deep understanding of this formidable group and associated families, guardians, housemates, caregivers, and staff, My25 Select additionally provides access to My25 Select's chock-full recipe box and video library, straightforward and tasty help regarding leftovers or food pantry donations, geared to household size, preferences, and dietary needs. Monthly raffles with prizes to incentivize and reward engagement and knowledge gains. Opt-in text messages tailored to specified, personal topics of interest, such as diabetes, weight loss, weight gain, recipes, kitchen skills, grocery shopping, enjoyment of life, and more. And finally, subscribing organizations have ready access to My25 Select summary reports, detailing user involvement and aggregate HES metrics. As we wrap up this overview of My25 Select highlights, we share a bit more about our strategic and foundational backbone, so please read on for a brief moment. And thanks so very much for your interest.